comes up near the airplane, so watch that you don't trip. This is the same model. It looks like probably the same year as the plane that I got my multi-engine rating in. My plane rolled. I'm gonna have to get out the log because it looks like the same number.
Oh wow. Hey Jimmy from Jimmy's World, you wanna save this one too? We have another Cessna 310 here. We're at, where are we? Mulino Airport in Oregon.
If we were at Jimmy's World, we'd say, yeah, just needs a little air in the tires, and then we start it up and go, right?
You could very easily trip on that there. Just step over that. Oh, look at the colors on this one. Kind of an aqua green and some kind of purple. I've never seen those colors before on a Cessna.
The FBO here is the same one out of Albany. So it's a card lock gas. You know, you can buy it. They actually don't even but you can go in, you know, use the lounge and use the restroom, buy soda or something.
I like the front of this. Like some of the kit foxes have
this is
taken on this old style.
That we were talking about, and that guy. I showed you Mike, who used to, me and Gail and Mike and Moya used to hang out together. After he got done flying the Constellations, he had one of these, but not 190, yeah, 195.
Pilot lounge.
Desperately thirsty. Now, your camera's not the only one in here, so be aware of the fact that we're being watched.
Wave to the other camera. A camera filming a camera, filming a camera, filming a camera.
Sign on the wall there.
Inside the washroom. Look at this white couch. Isn't this cool? Old white leather couch from like the 70s or something. I have to sit on the white couch.
I guess if you were traveling, you know, a lot of airports have unoccupied pilot homes like this. You could spend the night here. You know.
You could if you needed to.
Or even if you planned it that way. I think if I was going to plan it that way, I would call ahead and ask them if it was okay. But if you got stuck in weather or something, I wouldn't have a problem with it.
No, me neither.
This airport used to have just grass runways, and I used to come out here a lot. And then, and the state zoned it for decades. But I guess about 25 years ago, they tore down a bunch of hangars that were over there. Put in pavement and everything. Remember we came out here, Colin was just a little kid. We came out here from pancake breakfast for the official opening of the new runway in the airport. And I think I might have been on one or two other grass runways, but this is where I always stayed for my grass runway tour. And before it was all paved and nice and everything, you could taxi down to the corner and we could still walk down there, and there's just an old restaurant right on the other side of the airport fence to get breakfast or lunch. The area here is kind of
Yeah, this one's missing its tail. The whole tail section is gone.
Beechcraft always makes really nice quality airplanes, and I learned how to fly in a Cessna 150, and then for about a year I was renting Beechcraft Musketeers like this one. Really comfortable airplanes and everything. Slower, you know, given the same power, comparable power and everything, they're slower, but really just rock solid and comfortable.
There's a Dave Clark in there. I put this on auto ISO, so I hope that works okay.